554, effective until midnight Central. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Burnet County until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kempner, or 8 miles east of Lampasas, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sunnylane and Watson. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. The National Weather Service